Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Bethany and I am one busy mama. And I'm also holding this Fabfitfun add-on box. I already forgot what I ordered in it, but if you want to see what I added on, stay tuned. So if you're new, welcome, and if you are coming back, thanks for coming back. So I've been shopping a lot lately, if you haven't noticed, and I haven't gotten my Fabfitfun add-on box until the other day. I'm still waiting on lots of other subscriptions, so let's see if I remember what I ordered in here. So Fabfitfun is a seasonal subscription box. It's $49.99 every season, and then you have the chance to add on some products. So I did this time. Normally I don't. And it's free shipping. And they just basically tell you pick this stuff and then we'll just add it to your account. So I did. So let's see what I got. I think they give you this big box just because they want you to feel special. All right. So let me just put it here and then I'll just grab stuff out. We got some fluff. Some more fluff. And a paper. So it looks like I got 3 things for this big box. But whatever. So first thing I see is Daily Concepts Daily Beauty headband. Oh, I love headbands. You see, I surprised myself. So this is awesome, and it's pink. This would be great for like when you're doing facials or a mask or something. Even just taking a shower. But I love to have my hair pulled back, and look at that. It's stretchy. It's got a cute little bow here in the front. Let's put it on. Ooh, yes, 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 yes. Let me see if I can show you guys. Okay, so this is perfect. I could even probably just tuck in my braid here because it's thick enough. I don't know if you guys saw that, but you could just tuck it in and have all your edges hidden. So if you're like doing a facial or a mask or just applying your nighttime routine serums and you don't want it to get in your hair, this is so nice, and it's super soft. And it says comfortably control hair. Perfect to wear when applying makeup, cleansing, or spa treatments. What did I say? Do I know my headbands? Washing instructions. It doesn't really say, but it's cruelty free. 85% polyester. Let's see. Perfect to sweep hair off your face when cleansing, applying a face mask, or even to control hair as you apply makeup. Elastic band makes for a comfortable fit and also absorb extra moisture such as water and sweat. Now it says, yeah, well, so I love it. That is not going back in this cute little pouch. So what's next? A cup. I love cups. I use them every single day. So whenever I see a cup with a straw and a lid, I'm buying it. My kids make fun of me, but I don't care. I'll have a different cup every day of the week. So this is really cute. It's like a pink. It's not coming across, but it's like a baby pink, icy baby pink. And it says, ladies first. Yes. I don't know. I was in a pink mood. I bought a pink cup, pink headband. So this is by Kate Spade, which is also great. And it's a 20-ounce insulated tumbler. These are usually hand wash only with the straw and the lid. I put ice water in here, but you could probably put whatever you want. Yep. See, it says don't microwave and hand wash only. Okay, so that's awesome. And lastly, there was only 3 things. So I know what this is now. Now that I remember. It's a mug. And guess what it says? Man, they package these things wonderfully. So it says, Mama Boss. If nobody will tell you, you better tell yourself. So, and on my desk it says Boss Lady. So here we go, Mama Boss. And because it said Mama, I definitely wanted it. I'm a busy mama, and I am a Mama Boss. So that will go in my collection. So that's perfect. So those are the only 3 things that I got. If you like these type of videos, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed already, hit that subscribe button. Join us. Why not? And let me know what you guys think of this little add-on haul, I guess you can call it. And as always, guys, stay safe.